What is up, great guys? Scrembo here from Emotional Crypto Trading. We're continuing our discussion towards Cardano. It is 18th of October and the price analysis and technical details are going to be on board. Today, Cardano is amongst the most trending cryptocurrencies, as you can see in the tab here on Crypto CoinMarketCap. And this is just great news about the token. It has to recover a lot. I mean, for the past 7 days, Cardano is the one that lost the most in price. There's been a lot of the selling pressure generated by the media and the market towards the community, a lot of the shorters. So the cryptocurrency at this time, in terms of the order books and trades live, I'm sure there's a whole lot of the fulfilled towards shorts, which is clearly telling us that those guys can be squeezed out and taken their journeys. So that happens usually with a pump. So we're going to see what's happening here in terms of the news of the space. There's some great news in comparison with Solana, which I also just talked about in my other video. NFT traders just vanish away from Solana towards Cardano. They run away as this is a new solution, which looks pretty good. Now, when you see such like Cardano price continues to slide with no near-term bullish catalyst, well, this is news for bullishness, guys. There, the fact that you can also see that they talk about, Cardano continues its bearish run, more pain for ADA in the near future. All sorts of news like this every 2 days or every couple of hours or every other day is just generating more and more selling pressure, putting the exchanges that are utilizing derivatives and in advantage towards the situation of the market, which is not the reality of continuous downtrend at this days. However, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel before we get into the topic of Cardano technicals. And at the same time, for those of you that would like to discover how to become traders, how to trade from A to Z and become a business, well, make sure to check out scrembocoaching.com. This is a private one-on-one coaching directly with me. And you definitely must prepare your education and skill level for the upcoming bull run that's going to come. So utilize this time to get yourself educated in the right direction. At the same time, we have commission trading. What do I perform for myself, which is something you can see on the left side of the page. I can also perform for you through API. There is a commission out of the profits, no upfront fees. About these two things I talk about at the end of the video, and at the same time the links are in the description area for you to discover. Cardano, 4-hour candlesticks, this is where we are. Like I said, it's 18th of October, so we just crossed the middle of the month. And Cardano had a difference compared to the other cryptocurrencies, which is exactly this movement that I have encircled right now. That is missing from the other cryptocurrencies due to the fact that others have survived basically above this bottom, right? So above this 41.5 cents, 42 cents, around that range. There was a level here holding for all the other cryptocurrencies, and the markets are just like this. Cardano is exactly in the opposite direction, which, and I gotta be honest with you, I must tell you the truth, which do not denies the fact that Cardano, once it starts moving, no one's gonna be able to stop it, right? So Cardano does double-digit increases at a time BTC does 4%. This is what's gonna happen in the near future. I mean, that's a huge difference. You'll see that all this losses that people might have can easily be recovered by being patient and doing the right things at the right time, of course. So from here back towards, let's say, the major resistance of the trend line is about 14.5%. Now this 14.5% is obviously a level which is supposed to be achieved without too much pressure, which is the reality, guys. 14.5% should be achieved at the time BTC does a little pumping of 3 to 4%. Cardano is going to fly, which is what has happened as well in the past. When we had a little bullishness towards BTC, Cardano was doing 13.7%. Take a look at this movements, guys. It's 12.06. Every time Cardano wants to move, it actually does it strongly, 20% in 6 days. It's just a matter of time till the whole thing is going to recover, as great news are coming around Cardano without any trouble. Now currently we're sitting on 1.41 Fibonacci. It's the 0.414. We got supported by 0.618. So that's the major one usually of the Fibonacci retracement tool. But then you have also a trending line where you have reacted here, which started back in the day, somewhere in August, with some great reactions and confirmations. Now what's been happening here is basically a range stepping away from the bottom, formating a range of higher low, which is a great sign of stability. Now you'll have a median line to fight with, and you will have a downtrending line to fight with. I like to see the market pulling up towards the Fibonacci retracement point. That would be great. However, the movement until that price is not going to be minor. It's about 22%, so that's not easy. There's a whole lot of resistances going around. Yeah, a breakout, with behavior of a fake out is possible for Cardano in so many cases, in so many instances. This is the current situation, folks, for ADA. This is pretty much all about today's video. Make sure, once again, for those of you looking to become traders, prepare yourself for the upcoming bull run. Get yourself the education and the skill levels needed. This is a comprehensive and complex activity which cannot be done by putting out an indicator, a strategy out there, and just like that trying to print some money. The whole world would stop today and print money by putting out an indicator on a chart. It's not working out like that, guys. This is a joke, right? So that's fully a joke. If you care about your future, this is an option. It's not the only one, but this is what can I do for you. Now, this is pretty much all, guys. Make sure to check out the video till the end to find out more, and we'll talk to you soon. For those of you interested in trading without fees, we have a promotion on Bybit. So in order to participate in this promotion, you definitely must sign up basically from this specific promo or referral code 41060. This is the one you need to sign up from. So you need to create a new account and get under this specific promo, which is dedicated towards zero fees trading on all pairs. And on top of that, rewards up to $4,550 in a variety of representations, starting from a welcome gift up to deposit blast off, up to derivative trading gifts. So up to $4,550. You can get the promo code at scrembocoaching.com/big bonus. It will drive you directly to this page, or scrembocoaching.com/0 fees. By the way, all the links are located in the description area or comments area right below the video. So now I'd like to talk for those that are interested in education, for those that are looking for having an education portrayed one-to-one directly with me, specifically on their needs, a proper professional work. So let me share with you more information. For those of you that value education and think that the results are generated by hard work, preparation, and a continuous process of learning, make sure to check out watching this video, as this is my one-to-one coaching, which I do out of passion for the ones that are interested in this space of learning how to trade professionally. We do have a one-to-one coaching program where I'll take you from A to Z into the process. It's basically a program that runs between 4 to 6 weeks directly with me. Usually we're doing on Zoom conversations. So basically we have the share screen turned on, and I'm teaching you how to trade from the research process until the last stages of the market. So we're actually talking about a comprehensive process. We need an intensive coaching, which is going to have homework for you to do, where we're going to verify the knowledge together, where we're going to perform trading. It's actually explained on our page. We have 3 different stages of the coaching: psychology, technicals, and live trading. We have a whole lot of the things explained on our page. You can find out more information as well. Just watch this video here where I'm explaining how does it work. And you can, by the way, qualify for a free conversation with me of 15 minutes where we can discuss these things. So it's scrembocoaching.com with the page. You can register now. On your email, you're going to find out the offer straight away, and you can reply to that. As well, for those of you looking to join the trades that I perform for myself, if you want to be part of it, we are doing trading through API. So if you think that if you want to be part of the trades that I do for myself as well, feel free to participate. There's no upfront fees. It's just a commission out of the pure profits we make. That's pretty much all.
On the left side of the page, you have my trading performance documented since September 2017, and then on the right side of the page you have how does it work. On the top left corner you got our page scrembocoaching.com/today, and this is where you can have more information. Once again, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure that you're going to do all the things backed up by the data. This is very important in the trading process. Nothing can be done out of the blue, and it's not because what we want to perform out of nothing. It's most likely we need to do things correctly just because that's how the markets are telling us to do. That's all, folks. See you soon.